Oh, well, I'm excited now. Haven't made a generator video in a while. I lent my generator to a friend. They used it a few days and now it's not running. It'll start, it dies. That's all I know from the call. I've got some hand tools. Let's run over and see what the hell it's doing. Okay, this is how it's been stored for the last month. And I think it's been running pretty much most evenings for like the last week. Well, let's find out what's going on. I'm going to pull it out and get it up on the tailgate. Yeah, I mean, I can't see that you've done anything.
Oh, no, I'm pretty sure it's nothing I did. You know, I just felt that it should be once it went out that first night.
My best guess is going to be some kind of dirty gas or carburetor issue.
And then it still had, well, I've been putting 87 gas, but I can
That's fine. No, the cheap
use,
gas is all I ever used in it.
I can use high test, so. Oh my.
That's all I ever use in it is the cheap gas. So let me unlock it, lift it up, and I'll get it on the tailgate.
Oh my gracious.
It's up on the tailgate. I've done the basic inspection. There's oil, fuel's good. Air filter seems to be, nothing bad there. I just now turned on the gas. That pulls over nicely. It's in the start position. Let me flip it to choke and give it a crank. I'm going to turn this off, but I'm going to run it a while and I'll let you know what happens. Oh man, did I get so lucky. I told you I did the preliminary checks and you saw me just start it up. Well, it ran. It's been running for a half hour, making power. The only guess I have is that when I was actually doing my pre-check, I pulled the vent for the gas tank out and gave it the old blow job. And now this thing runs like a top. So I'm guessing something clogged the vent, not allowing the gas to flow. But in the future, if it were to do this problem, my next suspect would be this petcock isn't fully opening or closing when you turn the valve. But runs like a champ. And just to show you that, I'm going to start it up and then I'm going to be changing the oil, which everybody's seen before. But this thing's warmed up. So power or switch on, fuel to the on position. I'm going to leave it in run because it is warm. Let's hit choke. Bang! My best guess would be clogged vent line, not allowing the fuel to flow smoothly, because it would run, according to my friend, for about 5-10 minutes and then it would die. And if you let it sit, it would restart, do the same thing. So fixed by cleaning the vent. You cannot beat a Champion generator, in my opinion. I've never owned a Honda, but these are clones, so Honda's got to be good for more money. Champion generators, really, this bad boy has got over 1,000 hours on it and still runs, starts like brand new. All right, it's a great machine. I'm glad I've got it. Okay, I just got done changing the oil, and I want to show you something so that this might help you. For this model generator, the oil should be just coming up onto the threads or barely coming out of the, end of the fill tube. And that's with the generator sitting flat. All right. That's the tech tip. I can't believe this thing is just running so good again. And now that I've changed the oil, let's just give it one more quick start to make sure that it'll still do what it's supposed to. All right, close enough. Power on, fuel on, choke. It's working fine. All right, well, that wasn't much of a repair video, but I got the call, I had to go.